hands are tiny.
Here, I'm gonna put you.
Thank you, too. You touched it.
Can you touch easy?
Let's put this on the other side. We can bring it down.
Yeah, touching her eyes and touch again.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's got some. Can you touch her hands? Yeah, she's tiny, huh? She's soft, huh? She's soft, huh?
We could, somehow have little sister's hand and big sister's hand.
Can you put your hand out and hold little sister?
Hold your
Hold Kristen's hand. Good job.
That's so good.
Good job. She's making all kinds of strange noises. Huh? Yeah, that's what she sounds like, huh?
Get one of all four of us. Yeah.
Look at the camera. Sure.
Yeah. Can we look at her and see?
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job.
Where's your smile?
Can you smile?
Oh,
Can you smile? Okay.
again.
That's so pretty.
You gotta smile big.
Baby.
Smile.
Look at this.
Can you look at the camera and smile?
1, 2, 3. Good job.
Good job. Yeah. Yeah, she's so... Yes, she is noisy. Yeah.
She's snoring, isn't she?
Who does she snore like? Oh, just like that? Yeah, don't... Yeah. Can you touch her?
Skin.
See how soft it is? You can touch her.
Do you want to give her a little gentle kiss on the head?
Can you give her a little kiss?
Kiss on the head?
She loves
Oh,
you.
that's a good kiss. Good job. See how little her nose is?
picture.
Yeah, she's got some owies. No, don't pull on it.
Can you kiss her nose?
Can you kiss her nose?
Can you kiss her nose?
Can you give her a kiss?
She loves you so much.
Yeah.
Good.
Right there.
Can you give her a kiss on the forehead?
Your camera has a little screen on it. It goes away.
No, don't pull on it. That's mommy's medicine.
Medicine. You know how you get your Tylenol? It's like mommy's Tylenol. Makes mommy feel better, kinda. Oh, she's really warm.
Can you give her a kiss?
Kiss right on her nose.
Can you give her a kiss?
She loves you so much.
I don't know what's going on here.
She's so happy to meet you, Caitlin. She's been waiting.
Good job. Oh, can you,
She's
can you
been
give her another
waiting.
kiss?
That was a pretend kiss.
She's been waiting to kiss you.
That's okay.
Okay, hold on.
Oh!
You give her a slow one.
Do it one more. Give her a big
She's
kiss.
so happy.
Good job.
Can I give you a kiss?
Can I give you a kiss? Can we give you a kiss? Mwah. She's got a bracelet on, huh? Yeah, Daddy's got a bracelet too, see?
Me too.
Yeah, look at that, that's crazy. All have bracelets.
Look how fuzzy she is.
Caitlin, how old are you? You're 2? You're such a big girl.
Yeah, baby sister, huh?
What's baby sister's name? Remember?
Kristen.
Kristen.
I love how she says that. You have beautiful blue eyes. I love your eyes.
Yeah, she is
Can I
cute,
touch her
huh?
hand?
You want to touch her? See her little ears? See how little her tiny ears are? Do you see them?
Somewhere under there.
You want to see her little tiny feet? Yeah, she's making noises, huh?
Under mommy's shirt.
Oh, they're weird.
We stuck her. We put her inside my shirt to keep her warm.
See her little tiny legs? Yeah, those are her toes, huh? Little tiny toes.
Tickle her toes. She giggled. Did you hear that?
That's her, don't touch. That's her belly button.
That's her belly button.
Yeah, it's kind of an owie. Yeah, she's got a sticker
Now,
just
what
like
is
you.
that? Do you know what that is?
Yeah, what's on her sticker? Oh yeah. Oh, you want to give it to her? Or how about you put it on mommy?
Not on baby.
See how soft she is? Can you touch her and see how soft she is? Yeah, don't poke, just touch, okay? Here, just put out your fingers. Here, see how soft she is? Here, you can touch her.
She loves it when you touch
See how
her.
soft she is?
She's so she is so cute.
See how soft
She's
she
so happy to meet you, Caitlin. She's been waiting and waiting.
So where's my big sister Caitlin?
Yeah.
Oh, really? That was a big one.
No, leave it on. You leave it on. Leave it on, because her head will get cold.
We don't want it to get cold.
Yeah, we want her to be hot.
I push my button again.
So she can be all cozy.
You never know when it's time, so
Nope,
just keep
I'll
pushing
push
it.
it. Where's the matter?
Here you go, Caitlin. I'm going to give you a hat so you can have one for yourself.
Oh,
What do you
say? You want to put it on? Yeah. Be a little homegirl?
Oh,
Oh, look
yeah.
at that. That fits just perfect.
Cute. Let me see ya.
You got a hat like baby sister, huh? Yeah, she's so cute. You want to sit next to her?
Take a picture with the two of you in your hats. Look at Daddy. Okay, we'll take a picture with your hats.
I like your hat.
That's a cool hat. Daddy's jealous. How does Daddy get one like that?
I don't think I want to fit you.
You have to be cute like her.
Oh.
Because the transport team is coming.